Hello everyone, welcome to Angular step by step course. Today we will discuss about resolve guard in Angular. So Angle renders Angle component. When we navigate to route, the component will then send an HTTP request to the backend server to fetch the data to display it to the user. We generally do this in the ng lifecycle hook. The problem with the above approach is that user will see an empty component. The component shows the data after the arrival of the data. One way to solve this problem to show some loading indicators. So another way to solve this is to make a use of resolve guards. So the resolve guard prefetches the data before navigation to the route. Hence the component is rendered along with the data. A resolve guard can load necessary data for a component by rendering record IDs from the route parameters, asynchronously load the data, and have to read by the time the component's activities and initializes. The major advantage for resolve guard indicates reusability of loading logic, reducing of boilerplate code, and also shedding dependencies because the component can receive the data it needs without having import any services. Angular provides resolve interface with resolve method to create Angular resolve guard. We need to create a class by implementing resolve interface. Resolve guard is used in the scenario when we want to ensure whether this is data available or not before navigating to the any route. If there is no data, then it has no meaning to navigate there. It means we have to resolve data before navigating to that route. Here comes with the role of Angular Resolve Guard. To use Resolve Guard, we need to create a class by implementing Resolve interface and defining Resolve method. The resolve method returns observable or promises or any synchronous values. After creating resolve class, we need to configure it providers metadata at the rate ng module decorator in the application module, and then we need to configure our resolve class in our route configuration using the resolve property of Angular route interface. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel.